Hey foodies, it's Shana. Today we're making a Thai favorite. We're making Thai basil chicken stir fry. Now this stir fry is so popular. Served over rice with an egg, it's absolutely delicious, but do you know how simple it is to make at home? It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. So this recipe serves 2 people. You can double the recipe as required. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in a large wok. As the oil gets heated, add 3 sliced shallots as well as 6 large cloves of garlic that have been finely chopped. You want to saute this just till fragrant, no changing of colors. And to this we're going to add 300 grams of minced chicken. Now I did show you a video earlier how to make this with boneless chicken breast that has been diced, but when you want to serve it over rice, minced chicken is more popular. So we're going to add the minced chicken and just stir fry this on high heat till all the pink disappears and the minced chicken turns uniformly white. A little bit of liquid will be released from the chicken. So at this stage we want to add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. That's the thicker soy sauce that's not salty. Stir this well till the chicken is uniformly colored with that dark soy sauce there. And then we're going to add the rest of our sauces. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is the salty and light textured soy sauce, as well as 1 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir these ingredients into the chicken really quickly. And next we're going to add 1 kaffir lime leaf that has been chopped up. You don't want to add too much kaffir lime leaf. It is really delicious, but you don't want to overdo it because it can be a strong flavor. Then we can add 6 small hot Thai chilies. These are usually added, but if you can't stand the heat, you can always mix this up with larger red chilies that have been chopped. Once it's stirred through, towards the end you want to add a large handful of fresh Thai basil, the leaves only, and just stir till the leaves are wilted. And the final ingredient to go into our Thai basil chicken stir fry is 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Just at the end, and stir it through once more. You can add a dash of water just to moisten the chicken one last time because you want to serve this over the rice. So it's done. You didn't cook too long. The minced chicken does not require long cooking time, and if you cook it too long, it will be tasteless. But if you follow my recipe and make it this way, it's absolutely delicious. Served over hot steamed Thai rice and a fried egg, and it's just perfect. How quick and simple is that? You have to try this recipe if you've never made it before. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.